What do I do? Well, this is gonna be weird. I don't know what to do. Hey guys, so what I'm going to show you how to make today is this super simple blanket. I made it with the Bernat Blanket Yarn in a size 6 for super bulky. I love this blanket. I use it on my bed every night, and it was also the first blanket I ever made, so I thought it'd be perfect for my first YouTube video. So I'll try to explain it to you. So to start this project, you're going to want to make a slip knot. So how I make mine is I wrap it around my finger twice, pull the first loop over the second, second over the first, and pull tight. Then you can slip that on your crochet hook, pull it a little bit tighter so it fits, and then I am using a 10mm hook because this is a pretty thick yarn. So this project, you're going to want it to be in multiples of 9. You can make it however big you want, but I'm just going to make a sample size, so I'm just going to chain 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so now once you've gotten to a length that you want, I'm just making a little one. You're gonna wanna add 3. So add 3 more to your chain. 1, 2, 3. So now what you're gonna do is you are going to look at this. It's kind of hard because this yarn is fuzzy, kind of hard to see, but you are going to skip 2 and put a double crochet into the 3rd loop. So 1, 2, 3. So you're going to take your yarn, wrap it around the hook, stick it in that whole hook. So now you have 3 on your crochet hook. You're going to wrap it around one more time, pull through the first 2. Now you have 2 on your hook, wrap it around again, pull through the second 2. Okay, now after that, you're going to skip the next hole and put a double crochet into the hole after that. So in you go. Doing it slow for you guys. Okay, and then you're gonna put, you're not gonna skip a hole this time, you're just gonna put another one into the chain next to the one you just did. Okay, so you have this so far. Now you're gonna skip one, put a double crochet into the second one. And again, right into the next one. So you're essentially just doing 2, then skipping 1, and then doing another 2. So now we're going to skip 1. It's your second one. Now you're going to skip 1 again. Now just into the next one until you reach the end of your chain. Okay, so once you've reached the end of your starting chain, you're gonna have something that looks like this. So what you're gonna do is you are going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you're gonna turn your work. So now we're working back the other way. So what you're going to do is you're basically going to group your little stitches into groups of 2. So we are going to make a double crochet right into this first big hole. So as you can see, there's just a big hole right there. We're just gonna stick our crochet hook right in there, do a double crochet. Now the starting chain counts as a double crochet, so you only have to do 1 there. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna skip 2 from the bottom chain, then you're gonna put 1 in the next hole. So make a double crochet, skip, put it into the next hole, make a double crochet, and then you're gonna make another one in that same hole. And that's what it's gonna start to look like. Okay, so let's keep going. Put 2 into the next hole. Some yarn. Okay, 2 more. Then you just keep going until you've reached the end. So I'm just gonna do this really quick for you. Okay. So the next one you're gonna do, so you have 3 left, including this ending chain. So you're gonna put 1 into the hole, just like normal. And then what you're gonna do on the end to keep your ends nice and straight is you're going to take this ending chain right there, and you're gonna kind of split it in 2 so you can kind of stick a stitch right in the middle of that chain. Do a double crochet. And see, that's what's gonna keep your ends nice and straight once you keep going. Okay, so then once you reach the end, chain 3 again, and turn your work. And go back and do the same thing. So you're basically just gonna keep putting double crochets into the big holes. You can see I'm starting to kind of get the pattern here. Once you keep going and your project gets bigger, you'll see it better. But that is basically how you do it. Keep going for you, just to finish this row. Okay, so now here, as you can see, we only have 1 right here, but we still have a hole, and we still have your extra chain. So don't worry about that. Just stick 1 double crochet in the bigger hole, and then do the same thing on the end chain. Kind of get yourself a little hole here in between there. Put it through that chain. Do a double crochet. And that will keep your ends nice and straight. That's the trick to it. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That's what it's gonna start looking like. Then after a while, you'll have a whole blanket of it. Yeah. Okay, so now that we're through that painful mess, this is what it should look like when you're done. Super awesome. But you can make it however big you want. Mine is huge. And as you can see. So I hope I helped even just a little bit. Okay, I'm done now.